Good afternoon and welcome back to another Citroen video, my 2008 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso, and in this video I'm going to be replacing all the wiper blades. Now I've noticed, obviously because this is my daily driver and we've had a lot of wet weather lately, it's nice and dry at the moment as you can see. I thought, well, the wipers seem to be past their best. I don't know, I got through the MOT, so what I did was went to Euro Car Parts and bought a full set of wiper blades. So in this video I'll be getting these fitted. Now in the 3 years I've had this car, I've only replaced all the wiper blades once, so I think they're probably overdue anyway. So I'll set you up and we'll do the front ones first. So just pull these wiper blades. I've just had a look at them. They don't look too bad, but I think I can safely say they're past the best here from what I've seen. They seem to smear and stuff, and that back one just makes like an awful juddering noise. So we'll fit new ones because it's not going to be any worse. So it should be a simple matter of getting these off. Anyway, I'll carry on as soon as I've sussed it out. Well, it's not particularly hard. You literally turn them round and lift them off, and that's how simple it is. So I've got my new ones. I said I've got these from Euro Car Parts. I'll put a link in the description. So there's my oven. Let's compare them. I think they are handed. Yes, they are handed, but it looks of it. So this looks to be the right hand one. We've got comparison. So look, I could be wrong here. Yep, I'm wrong. This one is the right hand side. So refitting is reverse removal, so you just push it in and it's as simple as that. So do the same with the left hand wiper. Swing it round, just lift it off there and fit the new one in. And there you go, it is really that simple. I know in my videos I put a disclaimer saying this is how I did it, but it's really simple. You can treat this video as a how-to. So it's onto the back wiper. Now I know that I replaced this one in the previous video. It's definitely overdue for replacement, so I'll just quickly show you how it's done. And it should just lift off, should just unclip. That's it, and out it comes. So compare them, yeah, they're the same. So refitting is literally reverse of removal, and it's really that easy. So impossible to get it wrong, and you can't go wrong with my video anyway. So that's it, all of my blades have been replaced. So that's it for this video. It was a really simple job, didn't even need any tools. And yes, like I said before, you can treat this as a how-to. It's such an easy job. Hope you enjoyed it. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that bell for notifications. Questions and comments, you know where to put them as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.